Judicial Board on addressing the tax rate. Well, in fact, Governor Pam already decided that there will be no increase in taxes this next year because there was a plan. There was a plan again to increase the taxes for this coming for next year, which Gopang already decided that there will be none. Okay. But in the meantime, to address these high real estate taxes that landowners are paying, Governor Pam instructed the Provincial Assessor's Office to reassess all throughout the province, starting with industrial and agricultural lands. And that is where the complaint is coming from. And then, based on the results so far of the reassessment, the reassessed values have really come down. Meaning, with the lower reassessed values of properties, the taxes that will be paid on them, even if the tax rate is the same, will be lower. So, that's what we're doing. And secondly, kung naili nakahuwat na ma-assess sila sa province, Governor Pam also convened the Local Board of Assessment Appeals. And this was dormant for years. So those with questions on their assessments have nowhere to go but to speak and complaining. So now, the Local Board of Assessment Appeals is convened. So ang katong dili pa ma-assess, na dili kahuwat na ma-assess sila, they can immediately file their appeal to this Local Board of Assessment Appeals for a reassessment or re-evaluation of their present assessment.